Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this beautiful GTO. Looks like we got ourselves a little bit of an old classic car show up here. Let's take a good look at this beauty over here. Looks all original. My goodness, look at that nice dashboard up there. Ooh, look at that hood. They got an RPM clock in there. Nice, a speedometer right in there. Pontiac. Very, very interesting. We were going for a walk and then we stumbled across it. Oh, the what?
The judge.
Where? That name right there? That's what it means? Okay. But they got LED headlights. Look at that. LED headlights right there. Beautiful truck. Cars and everything. Let's take a look at this one here. That looks really nice. Type LT. All original as well. Looks still like a mild speedometer in there. They got a Z28, eh?
Okay.
Z28.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's what it says on here, eh?
Uh-huh.
Sehr schmack, ja?
Jo. Yeah.
Lots
of nice older cars.
Very beautiful. Look at that one there. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful right there. Looks like some really nice shiny rims. Look at them brake pads on there. Ooh. 57 Chevy?
I think so.
I'm not sure. I wouldn't know. I'm not.
My parents had a car
Yeah?
that had very much this kind of a shape. It wasn't like it wasn't two-tone like this and all that.
Yeah.
But the shape of it was pretty much like this.
Mm-hmm.
That was a 57 Chevy.
Nice. It looks like a very nice interior. I like that white interior like that. Very, very nice. It's got a mild speedometer as well.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful interior.
Yeah. Yeah, they used to all have miles.
They used to, yeah. They definitely used to have miles, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Not anymore, eh?
No.
Let me get a shot from the back here too. Oh yeah, look at that. Beauty.
No, wait a minute. I'm not sure about the
57?
Chevy.
There's 56. It says 56 Chevy right here on the license plate.
That one over, the second one over next year, that's a 57.
That's a 57, eh? Uh-huh. We'll have to check that out. I like the nice logo there with the light, like that. Chevy in there. What do we got here? I'm not sure how you say that name, but looks very nice. I like the coloration with the stripes. Oh, look at that shifter. That's a fast transmission shifter right there. Oh, this guy opened up the hood too. So you get to view what the old classic engine looked like. Very nice job done on it. Oh, look at that old computer on there. Yeah. Look at that shine on that paint job right there. What a beautiful car show right here it is. Look at that, eh? Look at them lights right here on top of it or whatever. No, it's not lights. Nice. I gotta check all these cars out, that's for sure. Yeah. 160 on the dial. Look at that. 160 on the dial. That's miles per hour. Beautiful interior as well. This is supposed to be a 57 Chevy. Look at that. Man, this nicely done on the coloration and everything. Oh yeah. We're getting to it right here. Oh, some wood in there. This one has 120 on the speedometer. Not so fast, I guess. Oh, look at that. Got a little bit of advertisement right there. Why not show it, right? Yeah. Let's go for a little bit of a walk. Mercury, right here in the corner. Vandaag. Smaak, ja?
Ik weet niet wie de dag.
Nee, uit die Rudy Dijk. Ja.
Can't see you.
Nee, niet.
Against the sun.
De zon is zo dag, nee? Hij kan die ook wel heel bij. Ik weet meestal als je aan de beach zo. Yeah, very
You want
nice.
me to get out of the way? You want
No, it's all good. You just stay comfortable. You just stay comfortable. We get the pictures.
Well, he's got an antique car too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this one here.
Oh, that one. Oh, let's check that antique out. Looking good. Oh, yeah. What do we got here? 32? That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like.
And then you have pressurized lubrication or filtering.
That looks like a big block right there.
No, it's actually very small.
That's very small?
Yeah.
How many?
Well, the way you see it is 286 cubic inch,
Okay.
but originally it would have been 239,
239, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
and it would have been
Okay.
85 horsepower new,
Uh-huh.
and now it's 268.
So you
It's
upgraded
souped
a
up.
bit.
It's souped up.
Souped up a little bit.
warmed it up a bit.
Just warmed her up, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. But I bet you she flies. Didn't have much weight on it, eh?
She's good.
Oh, I like that red interior with the black. That's nice. Absolutely beautiful. You got knocks on there too? The what do they call that? This stuff right here. What do you got that
just
for?
the gauges, yeah.
Just gauges?
Yeah.
Just for pressure reasons? Okay, nitro, that's the name I was looking for. You don't have any nitro on it?
No nitro.
No need, right?
No.
I believe that. It's beautiful interior. I love that nice red color. That matches it beautifully. Absolutely. Nice tires. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice stripe paint job on it. Got a nice SS 396 right there, guys. Oh, look at that beauty right there. That is a nice clean engine right there. Oh my goodness. 425 horses right there. Take a look at that. That is a beauty. Turbo jet. Yeah, right. That ain't no turbo. Nice. Take a look at that. That's a nice paint job on there. Ooh, yeah. That's an interesting color though. Goldish and white, it looks like. Let's see. Only 120, but very nice clean interior. That's very, very nicely done. I like the old style rear ends, the way they got it. Oh, we got a Ford Mustang. I think so. Shelby. Oh, there's that old pickup truck right there. Yikes, look at that souped up Ford Mustang right here. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of them, but they look alright. Nice Cobra envelope there. Emblem or whatever you call it. I've seen this pickup before. Apparently it's the owner of AMW here in town that owns this pickup truck right here. Oh, made in US of A. Uh-huh. Nice V8 it looks like. Very, very nice interior as well. That looks like an upgraded interior though. That's not the original anymore. Look at the box here in the back, eh? That's beautiful though, the way they did it. At least in my opinion. Ah, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Bud Spencer's car right here. Wow. I've never actually seen one like this in real life. There's a movie, Bud Spencer and Terrence Hill. They play a movie where this particular car, it looks almost identical to this one, is in that movie. Obviously, it probably wouldn't be this one, but it's very, very similar. And then we got this beauty right here. Wow, what does it have here on the front? I'm trying to see. Looks like a 49er whatever that name means. Forgive me, my reading isn't that great. But yeah, look at that, eh? That is definitely an old one. That looks like that must be the horns or something. Wow, that is an old engine, that's for sure. That's definitely the original engine or thereabouts anyways. Yikes. That is definitely an old classic one. That's for sure. Yeah, look at the interior. What a beauty. Still have the original type of style tires on it too, matching the color on the rim and everything. Nice. Look at that. All of these have such beautiful reflection in the color, eh? 69. This is a 69 collector's edition. XR7. Yikes. That's some nice tail lights though. Country classic. Ooh, look at that. Yikes. Very, very beautiful cars. You can tell that this one has some age on the seats already. It's been driven a few times, which is quite alright. Oh, it's got an upgraded cooler system in there though. But definitely still it looks like original motor in there. That's nice. It's always nice to see. But I think we are just about done seeing all of these beauties out here. Lots of people, and we just accidentally stumbled across it. Anyhow, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Leave a comment down below on which one was the favorite one of yours.